So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ecology and Society Week 8 Assignment 8. So the first question is, especially in its western form, the worldwide of Christianity is seen to be dash. So these are the options: artistic, anthropocentric, biocentric, scientific. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, especially in its Western form, Christianity is the most anthropocentric religion the world has seen. So the answer of our first question is B. Now the second question is, which of the following statement is not correct about medieval period? So these are the options. Now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, distribution of land. Fields were distributed generally in units capable of supporting a single family. Subsistence farming was the presupposition. To use the new and more efficient plow, peasants pooled their oxen to form large plow teams. So the answer of our second question is D. Now the third question is, which of the following is not correct about the Sambaga people? So these are the options. So the answer of our third question is A. Now the fourth question is, in our contemporary vocabulary, the word science and technology are assumed to be blessed words because. So these are the options. Now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, modern science is an extrapolation of natural theology, and second that modern technology is at least partly to be explained as an occidental voluntarist realization of the Christian dogma of man's transcendence of and rightful mastery over nature. So the answer of our fourth question is D. Now the fifth question is, from the perspective of many world religions, the abuse and exploitation of nature for immediate gain is. So these are the options: unjust, immortal, unethical, all of the above. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, exploitation of nature for immediate gain is unjust, immoral, and unethical. So the answer of our fifth question is D. Now the sixth question is, early in the 14th century when the first cannon were discharged, they had an impact on environment because they forced people to search for more potash, sulfur, iron ore and charcoal in the mountain and woods, some of which lead to dash. So these are the options: climate change, earthquake, erosion and deforestation, pollution. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. In the early 14th century, they affected ecology by sending workers scrambling to the forest and mountains for more potash, sulfur, iron ore, and charcoal, with some resulting erosion and deforestation. So the answer of our sixth question is C. Now the seventh question is, how does decomposer, bacteria, and fungi contribute to the functioning of ecosystem? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B. The break down dead plants and animals. They also break down the waste poop of other organisms and helps the plant to get essential nutrients. Now the eighth question is, eco-theologians have sought to reinterpret old traditions by. So these are the options. Now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, eco-theologians have sought to reinterpret old traditions, finding and stressing passages in classic text that helps us face the current crisis. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Now the ninth question is, which of the following statement regarding Buddhism is true? So these are the option. Now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, do not kill. Forbidden by the Vinaya, the ancient rule of conduct from eating 10 different kinds of meat. The Buddha taught his disciple to communicate to animal their wishes for peace and happiness. So the answer of our ninth question is D. Now the 10th question is, science was traditionally considered as. So these are the options: aristocratic, speculative, intellectual in intent, all of these. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, science was traditionally aristocratic, speculative, intellectual in intent. So the answer of our 10th question is D. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.